So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. Please take it as a general reading only, not a personal one. If it is not resonating, this is definitely not for you, okay? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Aquarius, let's see for your health what we have. Page of Wands. Okay, Aquarius, your health is going to improve. Your energy levels are going to improve. If you have started some kind of physical activities like gymming, yoga, swimming, or anything that you like to do, it's going to have a very beautiful impact on your health. It's like something will start showing you the good results. You are going to feel more younger, more happy, more active, and more beautiful. If you guys are working on your physical appearance change, things will start moving forward in your favor. It's just the start of something really beautiful, but it is going to make you feel very excited, very connected to your body, your mind, and your soul, and you guys are going to enjoy it. Awesome energy, lots of improvement. Start seeing the improvements. Guidance is the lovers. When you have you ever seen that when we are doing really fine in our life, when we are just enjoying our life to the fullest, we have this infatuation or attraction to do something stupid because we feel bored. We feel like, okay, there's no excitement, there's nothing, like butterflies in the stomach kind of thing. That might be the case with you, because everything will start moving forward in your direction. You guys might feel the urge or desire to do something stupid. Let's say, for example, you're having a broken feet. I'm having a broken feet. The doctors don't recommend me to do hiking or anything at all in this lifetime, okay? So for example, you have a broken feet or something, and you feel like, okay, let me go hiking, because you're very infatuated to the idea of doing that. And when you're literally doing that, you're crying for your life. So don't take unnecessary risks. Don't do anything stupid just because you're infatuated or attracted to the idea of doing that. If you guys are sexually active, try not to make that an obsession or addiction of yours, okay? That is also going to create some kind of health issues. Moderation is the key here in anything that you are attracted or infatuated to do, okay, my love? For those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Seven of Pentacles. You will be able to start seeing the results of your hard work. Just starting to see the results of your hard work. Slowly but surely, things will start moving forward in your favor. Very slowly. Let's say, for example, you are waiting for some kind of promotion. You will start getting the signs or the signals from the universe's side that you are going to get it, not immediately but eventually. Some A little bit of salary hike, a little bit of rewarding or something like that. So whatever you are working on in your career, in your job thing, it will start showing you good results slowly but surely. Patience is the key. Guidance is the Ten of Pentacles. If you're planning to have something long term, have a stable source of income or a stable career or something, it's going to take time, Aquarius, especially with the thing that you are right now working in. If it is possible for you to have a side hustle, or if you were waiting for a signal or sign from the universe's side to have a side hustle or side business or something, that the time has come for you to properly plan it and implement it. Don't invest too much in your business thing right now. Start from a little amount, and slowly but surely things will start shaping up. Nearby 7 to 10 months it will take for the side hustle or side business thing to start working out in your favor. And if you are planning to leave your job for business thing or something stable, that will also happen, but it's going to take time. So until unless you're 100% sure that the path you're walking on is the right one for you, don't leave your current job or current career if it is possible. and if you feel like, right? For those of you who are self-employed or having business, Three of Pentacles, things will start working out for you. You guys will be able to get the success. The collaborations or partnerships, if you're waiting for investors or producers or people to collaborate with you, there are good chances that you guys will be able to get the collaborations or partnership. Maybe not that much high level partnership kind of collaborations that you are anticipating to have, but whatever collaboration partnerships or project work or teamwork you are going to take, that is going to be successful, and that has the capacity to go somewhere in a good way. So don't deny the fact that the like collaborations or partnerships that you are going to get are also going to work out in your favor. Just because you want something big, that can become big. Don't ignore the fact. Okay, good. Success is there. Guidance here is the Seven of Cups. See, that's what I was saying. You might be, you are going to feel a little bit confused and all over the place because you are hoping for and anticipating for something bigger, something huge. And when you're not getting it immediately, you are going to feel like, am I on the right track? Am I doing the right thing by taking these people or by having collaboration or partnership with these people? Should I try something else? Should I go somewhere else? There are going to be lots of confusions and ifs and buts in your energies. But if you are going to see this collaboration partnership as the stepping stone, as something like I can do that and it is going to create a beautiful opportunity for me for the next step, then you can definitely go for it. But if something is confusing the shit out of you, it's not giving you any clarity, any understanding, any success, anything good, then that's up to you. Okay, but it can become a stepping stone for milestone for your company, for your work, for your next collaboration or partnership. You know, drop and like little drops make the ocean. Yeah, so this can be a drop in the ocean, but it can be helpful too. For those of you who are looking for fresh opportunities, whether you are fresher or experienced person, whether it's a job thing or business thing, we have the World card. There are very good chances that you are going to get the opportunity not where you are currently, maybe in a different city, for some of you in a different country. Yeah, it's like life coming full circle. This is something that you were hoping for. This is something that you were praying for at some point of time, but when it's coming right now, it might take you by surprise because you were not expecting this thing to happen now. Okay, so you might get an opportunity, but that's not going to be in your city or in your country. So that's up to you if you want to take it or not. It's going to make you a little bit make you feel a little bit surprised and shocked. Happy, good one. Okay, guidance is the Ten of Cups. If this is something that you wanted at some point of time and then you felt like you don't want it anymore or something, you don't have to, you know, compromise on your soul, on your heart and soul. If you are feeling happy about it, if you are feeling like this has the potential to give something good to you and it can create long term happiness for you, you can think about it. But if it is going totally against your happiness, totally against your family's happiness, then you can wait for another opportunity. It's not like you're never going to get another opportunity, Aquarius, but this one seems like a promising one. But it doesn't matter if your heart and soul is not into it. Not everything is meant for everyone, Aquarius, right? For your finances, we have the Ten of Swords. This is not at all a good card, Aquarius. Some kind of losses, some kind of theft, spam, scam, fraudster energies are around your finances. Please keep your finances safe. Don't tell your OTPs, don't tell your schemes, don't tell your investment plans or anything to anyone. And don't trust anyone blindly when it comes to your finances. You might end up making some kind of financial troublesome decisions. For some of you, it's like the worst is going to be over. If you're struggling with the finances thing from a long time, then it is a case of worst is over. Now you can start from the scratch. For others of you who are doing just fine in their life when it comes to your finances, you might end up doing something really stupid. Beware of who you are going to share your documents, your details, your schemes, your investment plans with, because it might backfire. Please take care of this. Guidance here is the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. See, if you are doing something when it comes to your finances and your heart, your gut is telling you to not to go in that direction, or you are not very sure whether you should be going in that direction or doing that particular stuff or not, don't do that. Listen to your gut, listen to your intuition. Your intuition is telling you to not to do certain things when it comes to your finances, but maybe other people are doing something and it's working out for them, but your intuition is going totally against them, totally against your own energies. Don't do something going against your intuition in actually any area of your life, but especially your finances. Hmm? Oh my god. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.